Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another Google Sheets API in Python tutorial. My name is Jay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a worksheet from a Google Sheets file to another Google Sheets file. To move a worksheet from a Google Sheets file to another file, we'll be using spreadsheet.sheets.copy2 method. This method allows you to copy a single sheet from a spreadsheet to another spreadsheet. And this method takes three parameters: spreadsheet ID, which is going to be the spreadsheet ID of your source Google Sheets file; sheet ID, which is going to be the worksheet ID. For the request body, we need to provide a destination spreadsheet ID. And here's the source Google Sheets file. And I want to create a brand new spreadsheet. Now let's say I want to move my Python worksheet from this file to the untitled spreadsheet file. So here, let me go into my Python editor. I'll start by creating my variables. So I'll create my source spreadsheet ID variable, target spreadsheet ID variable. In here, I'm missing an A, so spreadsheet. In my worksheet ID. Now let me grab the destination Google Sheets ID first. And I'll assign the ID to the target spreadsheet ID variable. I want to grab the source Google Sheets ID. And worksheet ID. So I want to grab the worksheet ID of my Python worksheet. And once we have all the required values, so here I'll insert my service object .spreadsheets .sheets .copy2. We need to provide the source spreadsheet ID to the spreadsheet ID parameter. For the sheet ID parameter, we're going to provide the Python worksheet ID. For the body, it's going to be destination spreadsheet ID. And we need to provide the target spreadsheet ID .execute. Now if I press F5 to run the script, if I go to the destination spreadsheet, which is this untitled spreadsheet, and here's a copy of the Python worksheet. So this is everything I want to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.